test. Alright. Alright. Can you hear me? Test. Yeah, I see the levels. Let's stop this music. It always turns blue. Not sure why. It never saves my settings. There it goes. Okay. Alright. What is this? Stream number 5? Let's just keep going with it. Man, I'm kind of tired right now, but I want to keep this up. For you guys. Yeah. So what am I doing today? So, thank you for joining me. If you're new to the stream, what I usually do is just build something crazy or fun inside of Webflow. The first couple of streams, I was just rebuilding my homepage based on a dribble shot. And today I can go either way. Work on the child pages of my homepage of my personal site, or it'd be really cool if you challenged me to build something. Like you see a cool, quick little UI element or something, challenge me. Show me a screenshot and I will try to build it as fast as I can inside of Webflow. So I want to make these streams kind of fun, but also educational, so you guys can learn a thing or two. And that's the main purpose of these streams, to help you guys learn, or at least get inspired to build something pretty awesome. All right. What's up to Peter and Ethan in the chat room? You guys are first. You guys are always here. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Like, no joke. So, yeah. On this stream, I'm doing all my personal stuff or stuff for fun. But tomorrow, oh man, if you're going to be on the Webflow workshop tomorrow, I've practiced this already. And I'm going to be showing you some of the little tricks that JP and Ryan of the Webflow team, the Webflow design marketing team, do to make webflow.com the new homepage. Oh my god, it's so amazing. So check it out. Scotty's here. I didn't forget you, bro. There's no like list of people in the chat room. So I don't know. Hey, I want to put the chat room in. Hold on. Let's see here. Go here. Let me see. I'm going to go like this. Copy. Paste as, let's see here. New source. There we go. I'll put it right here. So hopefully you guys can see yourselves. And I'm like, what's up? Cool. Yeah. So we'll leave that there from now on. Spencer's here. Oh my god, 4 people. Dang. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Wow. Okay then. Scotty, Spencer, Peter, Ethan, let's go. Yeah, the new homepage, Webflow homepage is insane. And so tomorrow I'm gonna break it down and break it down from my point of view. I didn't talk to the marketing team about the little nuances of the new homepage for Webflow, but coming at it as a fan, I want to break it down as a fan would, and that's what I am. I'm just like a super crazy fan about Webflow. All right, that mega nav had me going wild. Yeah, yeah, the Webflow mega nav. For the people who are like, what are they talking about? Let me show you real quick because I have to. All right, here we go. If you go to webflow.com, this thing right here, so this mega nav is nuts. Like what? And then the colors that Ryan chose, like, man, oh man, like, I don't understand color theory. That's a graphic designer thing. I need, like, why choose the certain colors? Why did I choose the tealish blue color for my own logo? I don't know. I just did the thing. But I need a reason, and as not a traditionally trained graphic designer, I don't know the reason. Yeah. Ryan is crazy talented. For some reason this chat doesn't accept URLs. Yeah, it's like blocked, just in case someone tries to put some crazy URLs in the chat room. It's blocked. But yeah, that mega nav is sick. Look at that. And that's Flexbox and interactions, yeah. And then this stuff right here. I'm gonna break it down tomorrow. I'm not gonna talk about this, but yeah, nuts. Okay, so again, I'm actually wondering about the hover interactions. Hover interactions? Oh yeah. I'm not gonna talk about the Megan menu. I think Ryan is working on a plugin, or not a plugin. Sorry, a blog about the Mega Nav that he built. How come the chat always resets? Huh, weird. Anywho, how about this? What if I replace this? Here, let me see this. Let me remove, and then just add source. See here, screen capture, window capture, chat, and not exclusive. You don't have the show mouse. Cool, we can do it like that. That'll work. All right, now I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna delete this one. How to use XSplit. It's a new source. There you go. Cool. Now you guys can see the chat, and we can move on with life. I guess we should put it down here, huh? Let me know if you can still read the chat. If not, I'll try to put it somewhere else. Maybe make my browser window smaller. I don't know. You guys tell me. Let's lock that down. Cool. All right. There's some amazing books out there on color theory. Yeah, I gotta read those. All right. So what are we doing today? So, yeah. Challenge me. What do you want me to see me build really quick? Do you see a dribble shot? Do you see some sort of UI on a different website that really intrigued you? Some sort of interaction animation? You're like, whoa, can that be done in Webflow? Give it to me now. Give me a URL. Oh yeah, you can't put URLs in the live chat. Duh. Send it to me. DM me or tweet at me at the Pixel Geek, and let's get this going. If you don't have an idea, if there's no ideas coming in the chat room, then that's totally fine, because I can start on the next step of my homepage, or I mean next step of my personal site, which is the child pages. So yeah, let's see here. Kleinschmidt.com. Kleinschmidt. Let me see here. What are we doing? Here you go, Spencer. What's up? What? Okay. Which part of this? Okay, so hold on. The grid is so darn good. Mainly confused about the border colors and stuff. Border? What you talking about? Border colors. That's interesting. Oh, okay. Here we go. To make the grids. I think the grids are just overlays, or like, wow, everything's super wide. Hard to explain over text. Do you want to get on camera right now and like call in via Google Meetup or something? Or I mean, Google Meet, and explain it? Or do you want me to just build this grid real quick, which is super simple on Flexbox? Yeah. So those are neat. I like that. I've done that before. This, it's all good. Just figure I send out a link regardless. Yeah, thanks for the challenge. All right, so let me do this. Let me challenge myself. I'm going to do the Navbar without the hovers for now. The Navbar. Let's see, Navbar, and then this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and forth on it, and let me send it to my. Here, let me send it to my other screen, so I can have a reference. Ooh, it looks nice on responsive too. Let me throw that over. Boop, boop. It didn't throw over. Dang it. Oh, well, I'll just type it right here. Alright, this is what we're rebuilding. Let me make a new page or a new project. Multiple screen setup, very nice. No, I just have a laptop, and then I have my streaming PC, and then a work MacBook. And we'll call this fun things. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, so I'm looking at this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first row, just do it. Is it gonna be responsive? Let's see. Responsive. Cause if you look here. So first thing, let's break it down. Yeah, let's start with the breakdown. So what I see here is Flexbox, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, easy to do. And then this column has 2 rows, easy to do. And then this thing right here seems like a floaty thing, so maybe I'll have that floating. What does is that just a design thing? Yeah, it's just a design thing. Okay, cool. And so I'll just do these 2 rows, this first row and then this row right here. All right, everything else is like self-explanatory. I mean, maybe I'll just go on, but like, here we go. So 2 rows, and this one is a split row. Yeah. All right. Just a design element. Yeah, I thought so too. And then the whole responsiveness of this. Yep, response down. They're all the same. Still all the same. Where's the breakpoint? Still all the same. Wow. So 1 breakpoint, huh? Right there. And then this goes down. Okay. Yeah, that's doable. That's doable. All right, good challenge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Spencer. Let's do this. Let's turn this up. Don't want that. All right, let's turn this off. Let's go. First things first is scroll down and Navbar. And actually the body has some padding around the side, so we'll just do, was it 10? It looks like 15 or 20. Probably 20, like that. So we have our Webflow navbar right here. I'm going to go really fast. So we have this navbar. I'm going to let Webflow name the classes. This navbar, let's make it transparent or white. Yeah, we'll make it white. And then Klein Schmidt. Let's put a text in there. Can I just, is this a logo? Or like, what type is that? Wait a minute, is that SVG? I'm not gonna, yeah, it's SVG. Yeah, it's, well, here, watch this. You can copy, let's see here. Can I, oh, copy outer HTML, right? Let me see here. Can I do this? Delete, embed. You can't embed in a link block. Aw. What if I just bring in a link block anyways and go like this? And then I'll make it a link block with code. A href. Like that. A. Boom. Done. Alright, so that works. This shouldn't be a block. This should be inline block, so it wraps around the thing. Alright, so we have our HTML embed for that logo. For the other fonts, what are they using? It's probably their own font. Ringside, ultra wide. Is that a, oops. Ringside web font. Oof, nope, it's a paid for font. Yep, can't do that. So we're just gonna use basic stuff. So on the body, I'm gonna set the font to good old Montserrat-ish thing and make everything extra bold. Yeah, cool. I think that's good. All right, let's close that out. All right, so let's see here. So the nav menu and this. So here's the problem with Flexbox. If I go like this, yep, that's what I thought. So the problem with Flexbox is that when you're using the container, it's going to mess things up because some things have floats. Yeah, let me remove the float real quick. So remove that. This. Why is that floating? That shouldn't float at all. So that's hidden. Nav menu shouldn't float at all. Oh, this should be first. That's why. And then this menu button shouldn't be floating at all. Cool. Container. Right there. Center that. Nice. Okay. So we have that. And so you have 1, 2, 3, and then another column. Okay, cool. So 1, 2, 3, and then you have another column right here, and then you have 1, 2. So you have solutions. Actually, this should be nav link, so we can just make them all capitalized, so I don't have to press caps lock. Solutions, industries, company, log in, contact. Cool. And so I wish there was like a, whoa, look at that bug. So I wish there was a hold shift, so I can just hold shift and then select all of these rather than going one by one and setting a thing. But, you know, I'm not a software developer, so I don't know how hard it would be to make that. Alright, so Flexbox that, just to make sure they're like this, and then like these two right here, we're gonna Flexbox it as well, but vertical. There we go. Right there, right there, right there. And so with all of these nav links too, they should be centered and vertical like that. So we have our thing. We're almost there. Now we just gotta space them out. All right. So this one right here. Oh, it should be full. What am I doing? These can't be in a container that's 960. So I'm gonna delete. Actually, no, I'm not gonna delete the styles. Just gonna move everything into here. Call this container and drag that in here. So all of these are moving inside of the container because I'm gonna delete the old one. I want that full width action, and so the width is 100%. Oh, it already is. Duh. Okay, so now that I'm working with that, I can space all of these guys out. And so with this one, rename this logo. And let's start with the background though. I mean the border. So there's a border and then it's like very slight. Like very light like that. We'll go 5%. And then Spencer, been trying to make custom navs. I always seem to have a hard time with containers getting me whatever. Yeah, if you're having a hard time with containers, do what I did. Remove the container. And make your own by dragging in div block and then dragging in everything else, just like I did. It gives you more control. Yeah, if you want your own stuff. All right, actually no. Everything needs to be spaced out. So this logo, yeah, everything needs to space out. Go like this. Expand it. In this container, it should be full. Yeah, like that. There we go. This logo should be flexed down center. Oh, I love Flexbox. That's so cool. Alright, moving on. So this nav expand. Ah, yeah. See? Okay. So that's weird that I'm getting these automatically. So sometimes when you see gray numbers like this, that means the platform is adding that style without adding a custom style without you knowing. So you gotta zero those out whenever that happens. Like these 20s, that's part of the nav link already. But I didn't want that. But right now, it's fine. Unless I added it there? I don't know. Okay, so this... Wait, how come this isn't... Okay. Oh, these nav links too. They need to expand. Boom, look at that. So I'm just flexboxing the whole thing, man. And it's working. Working for me. Alright, so these nav links right here. So, let's see here. Nav link, border on the left, one. Actually, let's get the... Save a swatch for the color. Make this global. Slight gray. I don't know. Something like that. There we go. So nav link, slight gray. Almost there, everyone. We'll call this login link because this is the only one with a bottom. Oh, one. This is the only one with the bottom border. Boom. Look at that. Almost there. Alright. You're a wizard, Harry. After that, we have that weird plus sign. So I'm going to put the plus sign, let's see here, container, set this to relative because I'm going to put, oh no. I want to make a plus sign, but I guess I can have a plus and then have two divs inside of a div to make a plus rather than using a text for plus. Let's try that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say plus. Okay, and the plus is going to be absolute. And inside of there, we're going to have plus vertical. Actually, vertical so plus y, meaning vertical, and then plus x. And so it looks like 3 is the width, and the height could be... Wait. So the width is, yeah, okay. And then the height would be like, let's say 20 for now. Yeah, we'll say 30 for now. Okay, and then this will be just straight black. And we'll make this absolute as well. But absolute as well. And this will be, let's see here, 50%. And then the transform. So I'm trying to find the actual center of its parent. And then it's 50% and then negative 50%. So there's a trick to find the absolute center. So let me make this 30-30. Is that too thick? Well, we'll see. And let's put another one, and this is plus X. And this one will be the opposite, 30 and 3, black, and then position absolute. I don't want to put it down, so I'm pushing it down by 50, and then pushing it up by 50 to get that absolute. There you go, absolute. Yep, we got a plus. There it goes. Now we get to move this around, and let's see here. Top right. And oh, this might not work because of responsiveness. Because we'll never know how. Or I got it. It's not anchored to the container. It's anchored to this. Yeah, let's anchor it to the bottom left of login. So let me get this. Login has its own combo class. It's already position relative. Awesome. So let's put that in. What? It. Man, I thought I had the idea. Oh wait, why is this not named? Nav call to. All right. They have it as before element. On the contact block. I see. Okay, I can still do this. I can still do this. I can do a link block right here. And then I can give it a text element. Call it log in. And then I can give this a nav link. And let's just make sure there's no underline and make sure all of them are black right there. Cool. And so I can delete this login. And what's up? What's this? 20. So this one I need 20s. There we go. And now I can put this guy in here. Oh, this needs to have login. Cool. And this plus will be on the bottom left of container. No, of navlink. Navlink. Ha! There you go. Good job. Alright. Nope. 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 There. There. Now, when I make it responsive, it'll still fit. Yes. Okay. Is it too thick? What are you using? Using like 2 or something. Oh, okay. No, Spencer. You look good. 2. And plus Y, let's make this 2. And it looks funky. So let me throw it. Let me throw it off here. Okay, and then throw it down 1. Okay, that's good. Now let's make it 20 instead. What did I just do? Okay, the height should be 20. But why does it do this? Oh, now I know why. Because the parent wrapper isn't 2020. There we go. Oh yeah, that's looking much better. Now we just gotta position that and then we're good to go. And we're done with that element. And we can move on with life. Boom. Done. Cool. Hope one day to be as quick as you in Webflow. I always break stuff, but that's how you learn. That's what I tell myself. Yeah. When you break things, you know, so I've gone through this many a times, especially before getting ready for a Webflow workshop. Like, I'm trying to recreate something that I've never done before. And for example, for tomorrow's stream, I was like busting my head. I've never used CSS Sticky, and I've never done something like them before, that Ryan and JP have done before. And so I would build it, scratch my brain. I'm like, no. And I would delete the whole project because I'm like, no, I'm not learning it right. Let me try again. And every time you delete, you're just deleting the project. You're not deleting the knowledge that you took in. So don't be afraid to delete. Don't be afraid to start over and just go at it from a different angle. Because sometimes we just need to take a break from the screen and try something else, you know, or say, you know what, I'm gonna take a break. So deleting stuff isn't really deleting what you've learned. It's just another stepping stone. Let's move on. Oh, also, yeah. Another thing I always like to say, it takes 10 years to be an overnight success. I forgot where I read that or who said that, but I was like, damn, that's totally right. So whoever said that, thank you so much for that inspiration. Like when I see JP and Ryan, I'm like, they just practiced a lot longer than me in graphic design. What do I know? All right, let's make this happen. I'm thinking the hero is going to be 500 pixels, not 50, 500 pixels. Something like that. Let's just do it. Does it scroll down more? Or is it... Oh, it's not 100 VH. Okay, so it's a certain number of pixels. So we're going to go with... Let's go ahead with 600. And just do it like that. Alright, and as always, Flexbox is our friend. Let's put this here. So we have 3 columns, or 2 columns. 1, 2. And then this breaks into 2 columns. And then 2 rows right here. So, yeah. Easy sauce. Okay. Hero column 1. And this one will be expanding. That means it goes the whole width. And then... Hero column 2. This expands too. But this is not 50-50. This needs to... Oh, here's something interesting. Oops. So here's something interesting that I just picked up. These 2 buttons align with this column. So that means this right here is supposed to be smaller. Interesting. Can I do it without looking at their code? I'll try. Let's see here. What if I do this? With pixels or percentages? It has to be percentages. Okay. Yeah, 50% is not the ideal thing. This needs to maybe 33 and 66. Let's try it, Spencer. Thank you so much. 33% here. Actually, 100 divided by 3. There you go. Okay, so this one isn't 33. Let's make that auto 0. There we go. And this one... There's a certain grid or something that I'm missing. So if I turn on grid... I mean, that doesn't really help. No. Oh well, just keep trying. So 15%. So, I mean, I can kind of cheat it and go like that. And kind of eyeball it. But then again, when I look at the logo here, it looks way smaller. So this is what... I'm guessing this is 25% and this is 75. I'm going to try that. Let's see here. Take this. 0. 25% on the basis. Wait for it. Nav menu is 0. And then it's 75%. No. 65. And the logo seems smaller too. Maybe that's the thing that's throwing me off. Can I? Nope, I can't. Okay, we're just gonna do it like this. Alright? And then we're gonna eyeball this. Nope. 27.5. 25. Oh. Nope. 28.5. Nope. Close. Something. 27.9. Something. It's a thing. We'll try it. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so this color right here. If you don't have this eyedropper tool, it's pretty cool. Forgot where it's from. But clicky. Yay, copy the clipboard. Okay. Paste that. Cool. Flexbox this thing because we want the center. And we want some marketing words. Ready for marketing? Oops, let's make it white. Boom, right there. Building. Essential. Connections. Boy. So awesome. Alright, I love using VWs for fonts because again, keeps everything locked in. What? That doesn't make sense. How come it's not growing? Okay, you're gonna have to do it here. 10 VW. There we go. That's what I wanted. Five VW. There we go. 4.5. Nope. 4.5. 7.5? Okay, cool. Alright. Good enough. Next, how to make this into 2 rows? Easy. Just make this flex as well. Set that to vertical, and you're done. Yeah, you're done. And so let's put a div block here. And now if I put another div block, boom, see, now it's vertical. And then here, we flex that as well. And then set that to full. And then in here, let's just put another div block, copy paste, boom, done. This one's flex, expanding, and there we go. We're set up for success right here. This one, let's see here. This one needs to be full. So what I can do with this, oh, there we go. Expand it, and now we're rocking. And this one, we're not gonna expand. We're just gonna set this to 25%. Boom, we're rocking right there. So let's go get some colors. So this one, let's see here. Hero call 2. Give this a good name. Hero call 2. Row 1. This one will be Hero call 2. Row 1. Is there a better way to name these things? Could get confusing after a while. Call, because they're the same thing. And so you would put those lines here. I guess the easiest way to do these lines is to either copy their image. Where can I find their image? Oh, it's a background. It's a base 64. Smart. They're using mostly code. Or you can just download something, go to like transparent textures. And it's right here, transparenttextures.com. I'm going to type in diagonal 11. Cool. 11 of them. And I can just pull something from here. It's not going to be the exact thing, obviously. But we'll just get something. Diagonal noise. So what's it going to look like on white? Yeah, something like that. Ooh. Yeah, these are free. You can take them. Dark. Noise. I guess we'll use noise. Then I can download. Let's see here. Let me get this. Get my downloads up in here. Drop it in there. Cool. Background. Nope. Don't want to set the background for both. Just this one right here. So I'm going to delete this. And set this to 2. There we go. Cool. Hero patterns and subtle panels also neat. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Okay. What else? Now we got that guy. I'm just gonna leave it black because that's probably some custom code again. Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess I can copy it. Let's see here. Copy. Let's see if this works. Whoa, that took up my whole screen. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's put the background color as black for now. Nope, just one. Embed code. Paste that in there. Oh, too many characters. Yeah, that's what I figured. Discard. So we can't do it, but we'll leave it there. Moving on. Last part, the globe. I think the globe has too much points in the SVG, but we're going to try that as well. Let's see here. Can we do it? Survey says yes, we can. Cool. Let's go ahead and get the background color. Easy peasy. Take this eyedropper. Oh, I don't have it installed here. Okay, that's fine. Color picker. Nope. Pick from page. Yep, right there. And is that what I want? Yep. Yep. So there we go. And then the last thing is making it responsive. And that should be easy. The body could be less crazy. Probably like 5. Cool. Everything still fits. Hero column. What's going on? Hero column 2. There we go. That's why. What happens here? Why is it getting cut off? There we go. So this always holds its 50. I feel like this is, I did it wrong. I feel like this is one column and this is another column. That would have made it easier, I think. I think there's something I'm missing, but was worth a shot. All right, so this doesn't happen there. It only happens, yeah, it happens on here. Oh my gosh. Oh, because I'm using pixels, man. Straight up pixels on the, I'm not using percentages. Bad Nelson. Let's see here. 5% and 5%. So no. I think they're all 5 VW. No, 2 VW. Let's try VWs instead. That locks it in better. See, VW's awesome, man. To the elders of the internet who came up with VW, thank you. Yeah. But here's the thing, it doesn't lock completely with company. This part right here, so it makes no sense. So there's my quick build. Of course, it's not perfect immediately, but it was worth a shot. What do you think? And then here it works. Here it does not, obviously, because this hero column needs to at least 50%, man. I mean, give it some room. Column 2. Geez, calm down. What? Why? Why do you do the thing? There we go. So go like this, go like this, go like this. Ew. What did I do? Yeah, something like that. And you helped me with, still very impressive. And you helped with my problem of more custom navs. Hey, no problem. I mean, yeah. Custom navs are a thing. That's one of the things I want to tackle in a future official Webflow workshop is making custom navs, at least the full screen custom navs. That's one of the things I put as an idea for the calendar. Yeah, and then I also have to work on coming up with a Halloween special and a Thanksgiving, and then after that, the December, the last stream will be a live Q&A with Vlad, as we always do in the quarterly at the end of every quarter. And so that'll be interesting, just to look back at what we've done for the year of 2018, which, up until this point, is a ton, man. I mean, shoot, IX2 was last year. No, we did a lot, though. I mean, if you go to webflow.com/updates, you'll see all the stuff they've done. All right. Yeah, there's the challenge. Hopefully, not only Spencer, but everyone else, even if you're watching the recording, hopefully you learned something new. That's all I ask. That's all I hope for. And if you didn't, you already know this, then meh. Yeah, time is flying by. We're already almost done with August. Thank you so much, Ethan. Spencer. Let's move on. If you have another challenge, hit me up with a URL, or at least don't put the URL in the chat room, but don't put break up the .com or whatever. Oh, Scotty, you have one. Nest Power Project with Google. Ooh. Of course, it's Google. Of course it's going to look sick. Hold on. Nest Power Project with Google Home. All right, Scotty. Okay, obviously this rotating orb thing is not doable in Webflow. That's custom code. That, they did something with that thing. What is it? Orb. Okay, let's break it down first. What is that orb? And how is it doing the things? Nope. That's not part of the orb. The orb is in the background somehow. Okay, well, not going to do that one. Ball of energy. Yes. Okay, so the ball of energy. Don't think I can do that. The masked text, simple sauce. The SVG border of that. You need custom code for that. I won't be able to do that on this stream. This right here, that's simple. That's just a hover. So which part of this do you want to learn? Because if I were to recreate this, if I had multiple transparent PNGs that had this glow and had the transparency and had the color gradients, right? I can imagine 3 of them, right? And one of them would be showing and rotating, right? While another one is fading in and rotating at the same time, while another fades out. So all 3 are fading in, fading out, and rotating at different times and all that stuff. That's the best I can think of to try to do something like that without custom code. What was the button changing colors over hover? It is. Damn. That's nutty. What are they doing? What are they doing? Why do they do the things? Oh, okay, so on that breakpoint, they remove the hover effect. Hey, I want the okay, let's do this. There. Okay. Dear Google, how'd you do the thing? Okay, no. Yeah. Component. Okay. Trying to break this down. I want to learn. Interesting stuff. I'm copying it. I don't know what this code means, so I'm copying it. Why did you even do that? I don't even have you on responsive. I just said copy outer HTML. All right, let's try that. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see what happens if I go like this, press plus, and call this nest. Let's put a container and then a button, and then actually, you know, let's just put a embed, paste the code. It fits. What happens? Nothing. Yeah, there's more trickery than just that SVG code. There's more trickery. Yeah. Nutty. Let's see here. Theoretically with IX2. Yeah. Can't. Wait a minute. I'm thinking, can you do it with IX2? So you can probably do it with IX2, and there's gonna be a couple things though that's happening. Whoa, wait. I think I got an idea. Hold it. Wait for it. Let's do this. All right, how to make a sexy button inside of Webflow. Follow me on this journey. You ready? Let's just title it Sexy Button. And if you think about it, it's simple. Because it's just a mask and you have this gradient that's super long, right? So let's get a link block right here and we're gonna call it Sexy Button. 250, and let's see here. I can't. Hold on. I want to make that color changing border. But how? You can't. You without code, can you make that color changing border? I don't think so. So let's just make it simple and just do the hover effect for now. All right. So, okay. I'll do my best because that's all I can do. All right. Let's center the text inside of it. Text. And we're going to call this hello world. The sexy button. Take that off. This is going. Is it white? Yes, it's white. So the back needs to be. This body needs to be like kind of gray. There you go. Oh gosh. Sorry for your eyes. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right. So sexy button. White. Can you animate? Hey, Carlos, what's up? Can you animate a mask gradient maybe? That's exactly what I'm doing. You got it. You win the game. 25 pixels. And for now, we'll add a border so you know where you're at. Just for now. Make it 2. And then the sexy button will have a position relative. So this is the trick right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this button background. And this is the trick. I'm going to take this and set it to full, but the width is probably going to be, let's make it like 500%, right? No, 300%. Yeah, something like this. And the height will be 200%. Okay? And so we're going to start like that. And then we're going to make our way up to here. So it's going to like animate this way. And then animate down. at the same time, okay? But let's delete that for now. And oh, how did it get center? That's so weird. CSS is weird. All right, gradient. Now we add the sexy times, okay? So all it is just angle that way. Oh, let's go that way. And let's get some sexy color. Again, I need to understand colors. We'll start from there. And then from there, we'll go to like... We'll go to there. And then we'll go to here. Not too much. So let's make them even. Let's go every 15. Alright, just keep it going. Yeah, I should leave that there. Cool. Every 15. And drop it down. Until we get to green. Almost there. Cool. Supposed to be 90. Wait, 75, and then yeah, 90, and then 100. Cool. One more. Nice. Cool. And then this text block though needs to be on top. Get on top. Let's make you wait. Let's make you bold. No. That's right. Bold. Okay, and then there you go. All right, so we're here. So let's start you off right there. Cool, cool. I like you. Actually, let's take it a bit further where it's like that. Okay, it's not very linear. All right, let's play around with interactions. So when I hover over this button, start animation, and so the animation is going to happen on button background, and I'm going to press move, and we're going to move. Actually, the initial state though should start 0, 0. And also the opacity should start at 0. Yep, they have a fade in. So, cool. And so when I hover over it, it's going to fade in. So it's going to do one of them's. Easy sauce. Okay, next. The move. This move is going to happen at the same time as opacity. And let's go ahead and move it 100% the other way. So we're going to go negatives. Cool. Okay, 66% and then negative 66%. Nope. Oh, I should go positive or negative 3? No. Like that. Cool. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, cool. This one, duration, let's make it 10 seconds so it's super slow. Oh, yeah. So what did they do on theirs? Hold on. Yeah, so it's not exact. Oh, it's always moving? This button background's always moving no matter what. So I'm going to make it move back and forth and make it loop. So the only thing the hover is doing is showing the opacity. Cool. We're going to leave that there. So that's the hover, and then the hover out, start animation, and oops, we'll just duplicate this, hover out, delete this, set this to 0. Okay, cool. So it's gonna go away like that. Okay, cool. So now we're done with that animation. So this button background needs its own, and I'm gonna do a page trigger. So when the page is done loading, when the page finishes loading, I'm going to start new animation, button BG, and so this is going to loop. So we're gonna initially it's gonna start at 0, 0%, and then after that move is going to be a what is it, -66%? Yeah, and then this one's like a 10%. There we go. 40%. We'll do it like that. Okay, and then we'll do another one, and it goes back to 0%. Okay, so we're at the initial state, so it goes wow, wow, right? But we're gonna go super slow, so we're gonna go 5 seconds this way, and then 5 seconds back, right? And then I can click out of there, click out of there. Wait, what happened? Oh, okay, there we go. Click out of there and click loop. Not too bad. So there, we're done, and then I can go like this, and it's always it's moving in the background, but I can just play around with the opacity. Now, if I can only figure out the border, but I mean, there you go. Carlos, you had it right. Animated mask gradient. And you're just moving a thing inside of another thing, and then sexy. All right. Yeah, this stream is rated PG-13. We're doing sexy buttons now. Webflow does make it easier. I think the challenge is taking things like this and breaking it down in your head, you know? And that's the thing. Once you start learning Webflow more and more, you'll notice what can be done with Webflow, what can't be done. And I mean, there's a lot of simple animations that you can create. Simple, you know? And it gets to the point, which I love, it gets to the point where Webflow is just is no longer a burden. Well, I say the word burden because I see it on my screen. It's no longer a burden to make it's web UI or make something fun. It's all about your limits of creativity. Like what can I do that I've never done before, you know? And so it's up to you. Okay. So let's talk about this. I scroll, and then it scrolls for me, and then it does this thing. Scroll down. Oh, see, I scroll down here. See? Okay, cool. Scroll up. Scroll down. Doesn't happen. Scroll down again. It does. This, my friends, is called scroll jacking. Do not do this, even if you're Google or Nest. I mean, come on. It's a bad user experience because you took over my scroll wheel. And so, yes, I do have the power to initiate the scroll, but you're telling me where to go. Whereas something that's a parallax scroll, like our homepage, like we do animations based on your scroll position. And so it's up to you when you want to go. I mean, we could have easily done that scroll jacking thing and make you go down here, like immediately, right? And then when you scroll down again, it immediately goes to this one. But no, you should have the control. You as the user should have the control to stop the animation, rewind, move forward. That's up to you, rather than going to this thing right here where you're forced to go in between, and next thing you know, they have like a listener event that they do a delay. So the mouse, if I like go multiple times on the mouse, you know, see, I'm going really fast with the mouse, but that doesn't even make sense. I can't scroll down to the next section. Okay, now I'm just ranting. Look at, so if I scroll up, I want to go to the first, I want to go to the hero row. Let me go to the hero row. It took me that many scrolls. Okay, so let me scroll down. Okay, so I scrolled down twice for 2 sections. So immediately my mind thinks, okay, if I scroll down a third time, it's going to go to the next slide. No, it goes down these paragraphs of copy. Oh, now it works. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this site. What's cool at the hero row? We made a sexy button, though. There you go. All right. Thank you, Scotty. If anyone else has a challenge, yeah, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Let me see here. Oh, we've been streaming for an hour now. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So, yeah, if there's nothing else, I may just try to figure out what my... Yeah, if you have any questions or anything to challenge me, let me know. But I'm going to move on to my child page. I have no idea what it's going to look like. No idea. I'm just jumping in, feet first, head first, whatever, and saying, what do I do? So I can... I guess I can... I guess I can duplicate this homepage and see what I can do with it. We'll call this oh, I already have a vlog. Okay, vlog 2 for now. And so what I have for my current vlog is I kind of have the same thing. So what I can do is I can kind of cheat and just take this and then paste it to here. Or maybe I need to wireframe this out a little bit more. Because, like, what would I put here? Yeah, I may need to wireframe it. But I know one thing's for sure. We don't need this guy. Don't need him. Oh, it looks better now. Yeah. Let's see. Any links? No, no links. Yeah. So I may want to wireframe this off camera first before I jump into it and bore you guys with me trying to figure out something. But yeah. I may end this now so I can rest up for tomorrow's Webflow stream. And again, youtube.com/Webflow. I'll be streaming there on the official channel live at 10 a.m. Pacific. And I'll just give you a sneak peek real quick. A sneak peek real quick. And I showed off the GIF of what I'm doing tomorrow. But here it is. So I practiced the stickiness inside of Webflow. So this gray thing right here is huge. The scroll container is 500 VH. And so how did I do that? And then it unsticks. And then it goes to this one, and then this one sticks and unsticks. But it has a thing that does this. So that sticky thing is what Ryan and JP have used. Or I mean, Ryan uses a lot of. But it's so effective. Alright, so tune in tomorrow. youtube.com/Webflow. And I think I'll just end this off for now. Getting pretty tired. But thank you to Scotty and Spencer for the design challenges. Let me know what you think about these. Let me know if these challenges are helpful, if I should do more of them. But I think next time I stream, it'll be my child pages, so I can finish up my personal site and maybe post it to Designer News and then get crushed. Because people will be like, oh, it sucks. No, just kidding. They're nice people over there. So hopefully I get some good feedback. And hey, if it's constructive feedback, I can probably work on it some more on the stream and then, hope for the best. But as long as these streams are helpful and you're learning, let's keep going. So I'll see you next time. And oops. There. Oh, no. I'm back. Wait, I gotta pull up the... What is it? There we go. There. Yeah, you gotta have some outro music. No, let's get something better. Where's the Starfields? Yeah. Alright. Cool. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next time when I stream. I try to stream every other day right now. If I can't, I'll let you guys know on Twitter. Speaking of Twitter, my Twitter handle is @thepixelgeek. Follow me on there, would you? I'm on Dribble too, PXLGK. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Hit that bell as well, so when I go live, you will know right away. And I think that's about it. So thank you again, and as always, make the web beautiful.